What a week at Spotify Camp Nou. A compression ring box rotating 180 degrees mid-air in strong wind. Ceramic slat guide wires coming down in the north goal corner. The shop diamond getting its first waterproofing coat. And something inside the stadium most people did not expect to see yet. The VIP ring, the diamond, and a compression ring pushing into brand new territory. Every zone moved this week, and some of what was captured is genuinely impressive. Let us get into it. Starting at the north goal zone, where ceramic slat progress made a significant move this week. The guide wires were removed from the anchor framework in the corner sector. Those guides only come out when every single anchor point has been confirmed perfectly aligned and ready to receive slats. Once they are gone, the slats can follow. Workers were also spotted painting beam surfaces and pernos across this sector, and that painting has to be completed before any slat goes up. Both steps confirmed in the same week is a strong signal that this zone is very close to seeing its first slats placed. The sequence is lining up exactly as it should, and the corner is going to look very different in the coming weeks. At the north goal front section, ceramic slat installation pushed into a second row this week. Anchor points are confirmed complete across the zone, and the pace has been consistent throughout. The only thing standing between now and a fully clad section is the painter finishing the remaining beam surfaces. That gap is closing fast, and the results are going to be visible very soon across this entire section. At the north goal tribune corner, the vertical slat supports are confirmed in position. Horizontal connecting unions have not been installed yet, but welding was active in this zone multiple times this week, suggesting that connection work is being actively prepared and is not far away. Sandwich panels are also staged nearby, with a number still to be placed on the nucleus face before this section can fully close out. At the south goal sector, anchor installation advanced across both the lower false ceiling section and the upper section this week. Both zones progressing in parallel, and guide wire installation is likely to follow shortly. When the guide wires go in here, it will be another clear signal that slat installation is not far away for this zone as well. The south goal is building steadily toward that moment. At the Tribune Terrace, 3 elevated platforms were active simultaneously across the beam framework on the left side section throughout the week. That level of activity concentrated in a single zone tells you exactly how high the work density is right now. New ceramic slat support pieces arrived by delivery and are staged on top of the cafeteria diamond, ready to be lifted into position. The connecting unions on the right side section are still outstanding, but the left side is well ahead and already giving a clear picture of how the full section will look once complete. Now to the compression ring, because this is where the week delivered its biggest moment. Pillar number 9 of the 46 that will complete the full circuit was lifted into position, and a radial beam followed on the same side shortly after. Pillar confirmed, beam confirmed. Supply chain running exactly as it should, with multiple beams of different sizes staged nearby, each one shaped for a specific point in the ring, depending on whether it passes through the outer, central, or inner zone at that location. Then the box lift. Box 19 was rigged and ready with guide ropes attached after a last-minute correction at ground level before the lift was cleared. It rose cleanly. Then the wind hit. The box had to be rotated close to 180 degrees mid-air, with rope handlers working from both sides, pulling against the gusts before the geometry was right enough to bring it down. It took time, and there were moments where the operation looked like it might be called off, but the team kept working and eventually got it done. Perno installation began immediately with 24 fixing points per side. 19 boxes now placed across the lateral. The ring is not slowing down. The first Cimbra support structure appeared near the south goal lateral corner this week. That is the earliest possible signal that a new sector is about to open. The geometry is also visibly shifting, with radial beams getting progressively shorter as the ring approaches the north goal corner. The compression ring does not follow the same line as the stadium, and at a certain point, the boxes stop passing behind the pillars and start passing in front of them instead. That transition is beginning right now, and every component going up reflects it clearly. Inside the stadium, the VIP ring first floor continued its transformation throughout the week. Galvanized steel framework for walls, bathrooms, and hospitality spaces is advancing across the lateral section. Rock wool insulation panels are being fitted in the more progressed areas, and dark finished wall panels are now visible in the sections furthest along. 2 full 360-degree circuits wrapping the entire stadium. Walking through these spaces, the scale of what is being built is impossible to ignore. At the shop, Diamond, the first waterproofing coat, was applied to the upper roof surface this week. A gray-black coating confirmed across the full surface, with workers managing the small concrete retention barriers that will hold the vegetation layer once ready. Every diamond across the stadium will carry plants across the top, and when this one is finished alongside the second diamond, it is going to completely change how the exterior looks and feels. Once both diamonds and the new museum reach completion, the current temporary store and the majority of the boulevard can begin to come down. At the cafeteria, aluminum cladding panels went up on the entrance section, replacing the temporary formwork. Another sign that finishing work is now spreading to more areas of the exterior with every passing week. The press room continues its cabling and technical fit-out, with the surrounding gallery and corridor spaces appearing more advanced than the main amphitheater area itself. That is your full weekly update. The compression ring pushing into new territory with a brand new sector about to open. Ceramic slats closing in from multiple directions simultaneously, the diamond entering its finishing sequence, and the VIP ring transforming fast on the inside. Every week, this stadium looks more like the world-class venue it is about to become. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe if you are not already. It keeps these updates coming every single week, and trust me, you do not want to miss what is coming next. See you then.